Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Chief Minister Kajala Ukanrat ki sangma hagajiwan hiar Jowai hak arpoi tarik jemang ula penong gajingalang ringkat badu MLA Jowai uba Wailad mikishila kumjo ki officer nakatanat PWD ha CTC Orchid in Tatlaskin hagajingalang uba Wailad mikishila ula Aiti ka Dorkhas ha Ukanrat sangma ban Pyllait ka Pisa nakamta ban shna sai ki artali ki block jong ka mini Secretariat ha Jowai hak ka first block kalagenjo prapusan persen kajing Pyndep ya kajing tei UMLA ula dawaru ban penhe eka kyang nang ba government college kajingbu eka nursing college ha Jowai bat ban penyo eka advanced life support ambulance hapo ka district habede ba kajing dawa jong UMLA umentri rang ba ka jila ula ong kijing dawa kilong ki babyang bat syong nongrim habede ba ki artali ki block ula ong ba un sapet eka ni ka benta namar kajing don ka mini secretariat kan pensuk iki pat ba halor kajing dawa penhe eka kyang nang ba government college Ukanrat ulaong bakakam kalaya syakmat batsyan an Pyllait Pisa nakamtaban penhe ya ka college kenang ban pensuk yaki samla puli ka district bat kathan rilum jantia hakipor banwan ula pen benaru basyan an sedang no ya jing pentre ya ka nursing college ha Jowai kumjo ban penyo ya ka advanced life support ALS ambulance support ka district banyo ajing yarap kipat ba.
So we had a meeting with, of course, our Honorable MLA has given a memorandum and he has requested that the mini secretariat, which the first block is 85% complete. He has requested if the other two blocks can be sanctioned, and it's a very, very genuine demand. Definitely, I will be positively looking into this aspect, as this is something that we have promised, and this is something that will go a long way in helping the overall administrative setup in Jowai. So I will definitely look into this and positively find a way forward in this aspect. The Honorable MLA has also requested, which she has again requested in the past, and I have also announced it in the past, which is the extension of the Kyang building, college building. And this process also is already on. So this will be done very, very soon. We will be sanctioning the college building, extension college building for Kyang College, so that in the future there are more seats that are available for the students of Jowai and West Jente Hills in general. Also, we have promised that a nursing college in Jente Hills will be coming up. So that's also something that is under process, and very soon we should be able to announce that also officially and start that also officially. The Honorable MLA has mentioned about the ALS ambulance for the district, which is something that is of course required because it's got advanced facilities in it, and there is none available here in West Jente Hills, and therefore this is something I have promised, and I will definitely look into this aspect.